So fun fact, computers can't generate random numbers. Which is weird because every time you fire a shot in Fortnite or run something through ChatGPT or all the way up to NASA simulations, these computers rely on thousands of randomly generated numbers. I can even do one right now. Watch. So what's going on? Back in the late 1960s, when there was an explosion in using computers to do math, absolute hottie George Marsaglia was looking at the program we used to generate a bunch of random numbers. What he was doing specifically was plotting them in 3 dimensions, and if these were truly random numbers, we would expect to see something like this. This is a random 3-dimensional point cloud. Basically, the fact that it looks like a mess is good here. That means there's no pattern, but what Marsaglia got was this. Not only was there an identifiable pattern here, it was graphable. These numbers were not random, which is a big problem. What Marsaglia discovered was that you cannot use an ordered system to generate truly disordered results. Computers, because they rely on binary, are only able to produce ordered systems, and as a result, we got this instead of this. So how does Fortnite work? Computers today are not trying to generate truly random numbers. What they're generating are called pseudo-random numbers. The pseudo there meaning not random at all. Since we can only generate numbers with a pattern, we just made that pattern so complex that no one can tell the difference. Industry standard pseudo-random number generators like Mersenn's Twister have a pattern, but looking at the graph, you couldn't tell. This is good enough that we can run NASA simulations off of it. So every time you fire a shot in Fortnite, you can thank absolute MPreg daddy George Marsaglia.